the health of our skin is a good reflection of what is happening to our organs internally, or the health of organs internally. So if you've got natural glowing skin, as I have, then you know that internally the organs or the health of your body is also good. To get much faster results, then we highly recommend that you come How can I fix my psoriasis? This is the topic I'll be covering on this video. So if you're watching this video, you're most likely to be someone who either has psoriasis or knows someone who is suffering from psoriasis. Do watch on, because I've got some information, useful information for you. Do give me a thumbs up, like on this video, and share this video with your friends as well. Most importantly, subscribe to our channel, because we have hundreds of videos that we have recorded and released previously, all to do with the topic of psoriasis or skin health. My name is Katrina. I'm the co-founder of Planet Wellness, and over the years we have helped hundreds and thousands of people with various health conditions worldwide, including psoriasis and also other skin conditions. What should you do? The best thing is to request for our free guide. This is the guide itself, how we fix this lady. This is the before and after photo of her psoriasis that she was suffering from for over 40 years, 40. We managed to fix it with her cooperation, of course. She took the action, or she took the recommendations that we gave her. She applied it and she got a lot better from this to this in just a few weeks after suffering for over 40 years. So do request for this booklet and it will be in your inbox very shortly. What do we recommend? Apart from checking out this free booklet that we've recommended, I also recommend that you check out our Psoriasis Expert Secrets course. It's a very affordable course where we share tips on mindset, exercises, the foods that you should be eating more of, the foods that you should be abstaining from, and various other health-related tips to do with psoriasis. And we've explained before that your skin, or our skin, is our largest organ. The health of our skin is a good reflection of what is happening to our organs internally, or the health of organs internally. So if you've got natural glowing skin, as I have, then you know that internally the organs or the health of your body is also good. To get much faster results, then we highly recommend that you come to a clinic such as ours, where we can actually spend a lot more time, in-depth time, in person, to advise you and to guide you as to the specific actions that you need to take. Similar to if you had a vehicle that needed servicing, a vehicle that was causing you a problem, or a boiler or a heater in the house that's causing you a problem, a laptop maybe, or computer. If you try to fix it yourself, yes, you may be successful. However, it may take a lot longer unless you've got knowledge that the engineers of that particular asset has. So it'll take longer if you try to do it yourself. However, when you come to a specialist clinic such as ours, then you'll get faster track results. Now, to give you an example of how we recently helped someone, we questioned her as to what food she was giving her child that was suffering from psoriasis. And she said, oh, I'm giving her all the good food, all the great food. We named a few foods that she should be avoiding giving the child. And she said, no, I'm not giving the child any of this. However, during the conversation, as we got deeper in the conversation, she realized that she was making smoothies with those ingredients that we mentioned specifically not to give the child. because she thought it was a smoothie, and in her mind, smoothies, all smoothies, however they are made, as long as it's blended, is a smoothie, it's healthy. However, while speaking in deeper length, she then realized herself that the ingredients that I mentioned to her just a few months ago, which she denied that she wasn't giving the child, she then realized that it was part of the ingredients in the smoothie. So can you see how, by having an in-depth consultation with a clinic such as ours, we can help you fast-track the reasons rather than you trying to do it by trial and error, get your healing by trial and error based on the knowledge of research that may not be accurate. So we urge you to book in for consultation with us, where we can have a chat and also help you further with your skin health problems.